In today's fast-paced operations, whether in agriculture, construction, security, or logistics, drones play an increasingly critical role. But as the number of drones and missions increases, so do the challenges. How do you keep track of each drone's location? How much area did it cover? Who was on duty? And most importantly, how much did the operation cost? Our clients face these exact issues: lack of visibility, manual tracking, and inefficient resource allocation. So we introduced DroneTrax, a modern web-based application designed to simplify and centralize all your drone operations. From real-time tracking to cost analysis, DroneTrax provides a complete overview at your fingertips. Think of it as your mission control center, visualizing flight paths, logging activity, and managing your entire drone fleet all in one place. DroneTrax is designed for organizations and teams that rely on drones for critical tasks. Security agencies, surveying companies, agricultural planners, infrastructure managers, anyone who uses drones professionally. It helps them by solving key pain points. No more guessing where a drone went, who was responsible, or how much fuel and time were spent. Everything is tracked, logged, and reported accurately and instantly. What our client wanted was a solution for managing their devices and their resources. So we came up with DroneTrax, which is a platform that has everything all in one place. You can manage your employees, your drones, everything right here. So let's say I have a farm that is very big and I need a lot of tractors, and I have a lot of different costs that I incur when I want to fertilize it or I want to harvest it. So with drones and with your aerial facilities such as this, what you can do is you can assign drones an area that they will cover, and this will be registered in your work order. Then you can assign people from your crew, which you can manage here. You can even check your pre-flight checklist, which is here. This tells you what type of fuel to put in, what are the electrical requirements, the batteries, etc. and etc.
For the DroneTrax platform, a solution for managing drone services agriculture, my goal as the UI UX designer was to create a smooth, intuitive experience for both web and mobile users. The client needed a dual-role interface, an admin dashboard for companies and a mobile app for both managers and field operators. I designed everything in Figma, starting with wireframes and progressing to high-fidelity prototypes. To speed up the process and maintain visual consistency, I used Figma plugins like Iconify for icons and Splash for image placeholders and Content Read for realistic test data. I built a shared design system with reusable components, auto layout, and style guides, making developer handoff simple and clear. By keeping everything within Figma and using smart plugins, I delivered a scalable, user-friendly design that met all client requirements, balancing functionality with clarity across both desktop and mobile.
DroneTrax isn't just software, it's a smarter way to manage your drone operations. Save time, reduce costs, and gain control over your assets with a single platform that works as hard as your team does. For any organization seeking to elevate their drone missions from chaos to clarity, DroneTrax is the answer.